Oh my god, is that a G80?
Hell yeah, shorty, this is M3.
Yo, I got an M3 too.
Let's go, shorty.
The G80 M3. Alright, bro, we get it. But the greatest M3. No, not this one. Bro, not this one either. Yes, this one, the G80 M3. And yes, I know everyone has one, and I mean everyone. Like, you can't scroll on TikTok for more than 5 seconds without seeing one doing a pull, driving in a meet, or cutting up on the highway. But here's the thing nobody wants to admit. The glazes truly deserve. Wait, before all of you go to the comment section and yell at me, let me explain. I know, when you picture a G80 M3, you probably think of SoCal daddy's money kids, or people who cut up on the freeway at 2 a.m. and the Miami TJR day trading course seller trying to get you to buy his course on sports betting while flexing the mansion he's splitting with 5 other gurus so they can all post up in the group M3. But if you can get past that and actually look at the car itself, the G80 M3 is really peak modern engineering. Let's be honest, these cars didn't just blow up because of hype alone. They got popular because they're just good at everything in an era when nothing's good anymore. You have AMGs with inline 4s and Audis that don't even have V10s anymore. Editor's note here, the AMGs now have V8s, so that point doesn't work anymore. Anyways, let's start with Exhibit A. One of the most popular YouTubers right now, SRT Len, decided to load a truckload of Smarties and decided, what's the biggest turbo I could fit into a G80? And while any other car would have exploded, it didn't. Because guess what? The S58 is a champ. And now, Len's car is making, let me double check, 1700 fucking horsepower. That number doesn't even sound real. That's not super sedan power, that's hypercar territory. I mean, think about it. The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport doesn't even make that much horsepower, and it's the fastest car in the world. And yet, this is coming out of a 4-door German cruiser that started life with heated seats and Apple CarPlay. See, that's what people don't understand. The G80 is impressive because it's fast stock. It's impressive because BMW overbuilt the hell out of it. It comes with motorsport tech from the factory. See, BMW didn't accidentally make this thing a monster. They knew damn well what they were doing, making a platform that could take abuse like it owes you money. I mean, downpipes in a tuner, you're making what, 600 horsepower? That's nuts for a family sedan. I mean, this thing is beating hypercars, supercars, and you name it. For under 100k, there's no better deal on the market other than the C8, but we don't talk about that. Anyways, Exhibit B, license.
With a bros at, I'm trying to bend, like, who trying to call me they friend? KG, gun, mad, sin, up, knock with the both of my hands.
See, most of you guys already know this dude because he really just blew up out of nowhere. But after Squeeze Benz got arrested, this guy really just blew up for doing the same thing. And guess what made that car content so popular? The G80 M3. Now, disclaimer.
Disclaimer, I do not condone cutting up, swimming, racing on public roads, or any reckless activities being displayed on the screen. This is all hypothetical. This all happened in GTA and Forza. Please continue.
But what the hell?
Anyways, hypothetically speaking, if you were cutting up, what better car is there than the G80 M3? I mean, there's the yours, but we all know damn well that's just the RSQ8 with a Lamborghini badge stamped on top of it and a 300k MSRP. Like, we are not paying for this. Then we have the Altima, but that's really just a shitbox.
Listen here, kiddo. If you ever disrespect the Altima, I will perish your soul from existence. Now leave me be in my 2013 Altima, you uneducated fuckery.
Okay, but in the M3, you got power, grip, stability, and 4 seats. Your homeboys can scream in the back while you're cutting up on the freeway at 2 a.m. And from a roll, these things are violent. The way these things pull would make you question your safety and your sanity for driving this thing. I mean, let's talk specifics for a second, because numbers really matter. A 3.0 twin-turbo inline 6 making 543 horsepower with xdrive dual-clutch transmission and weighing almost 40,000 pounds. See, that's the part people love to complain about. It's too heavy, it's bloated, it's not a real M car. But seriously, are we complaining this thing is a boat when there's yachts like the Hellcat around? I mean, people don't care when there's a 300-pound difference between these two cars and love to act like modern BMWs weigh as much as pickup trucks. Except the G90, that thing weighs more than the fucking sun. But it doesn't even matter anyways, because what matters is how the G80 moves, and that thing slips like butter. I mean, that thing is fast, comfortable, and has a bunch of technology. Specifically, 2 big iPads that every manufacturer slaps in their dashboard just for you. Even though nobody really likes it and it looks like shit anyways, but that's a whole different video. And you guys are all gonna say, oh, BMWs are actually unreliable. Funny enough, the S58 is bulletproof, and I mean bulletproof. You got people everywhere casually making 800, 900, 1,000 horsepower like it's nothing. Full bolt-ons at the no tune, done. No engine build, no prayers. I mean, let's not forget here, BMW is the best inline 6 company to ever do it. And that's not even glazing. That's just a plain fact. The B50 already proved this. The cheapest 800 horsepower you can ever make. It's basically the 250 of our time. But wait, it gets better. Exhibit C, BMW individual. I mean, picture this. You just made your first 100K and you want to ball out and blow it all on a BMW M car. Good choice. Now, unlike every other manufacturer, BMW for some reason decided to give us one of the best factory configurations ever. I'm not joking when I say I've lost actual hours just building and speccing out BMWs. I mean, this video got delayed because I was speccing out a BMW halfway through. I mean, there's thousands of trims and options alone. It's borderline insane. And then you get to the individual.
I got this.
Individual BMW's colors, bro. I mean, just look at all these colors. They're ridiculous, especially that Drive It gray, which whatever it is, it's insane. At night it looks like a clean subtle gray, but when the sun hits it, it's like a golden shine everywhere. It sparkles, it changes, it looks expensive, and it's just one of the best colors. Pictures don't even do it justice. And the best part, you don't even need to go crazy with the mods. These cars look insane stock. I mean, it has the camber, the stands, and it has carbon from factory. And don't even say it, the girl is perfect. Here, right now, name a single company that tried fixing the girl that actually works. Exactly, you can't, because it looks worse every time. The truth is, the girl just works. Agile looks too aggressive, and every other one hasn't pulled it off. You just didn't like it because it was new. Hot take, modern BMW hasn't fallen off. It's the same cycle of the new design nobody likes that everybody finally understands is perfect. Just like the G90 M3 that's going to grow on everyone, mark my words. And let's be honest, competition wise, there is none. I mean, the Audi RS5 is just look at this. And the new C63, I don't care how fast it is. Why is my AMG 63 running an inline 4? That's an economy engine. That's a boosted Altima engine. That's a Civic motor. That's not what 63 means to anyone. 63 always stood for a 6.3 liter V8, which was actually a 6.2, but it doesn't matter. What matters is that BMW stayed true to the formula. Inline 6, innovative car, driver's cars. And before anyone asks, yes, I know the G82 exists. I didn't forget about it, but it's basically the same car. Slightly lighter, 2 fewer doors, same energy. I mean, the E92 didn't have the M4 for a reason. It's no need, it's just a 2-door version. And the M3 and the M4 both dominate the 2-door and the 4-door market the same, so it doesn't really matter. Oh, but the C8. Remember what Pooh Shiesty said?
I'm allergic to Corvettes, fuck a C8. This a
G80.
not a C8, nigga. Mastery edition.
I mean, that really just sums up the video right there. The G80 is just the best car ever. And if you think I'm wrong, subscribe. If you think I'm right, also subscribe. Also, if we hit 100K, I'll get a G80 because I'm kind of carless. Oh shoot, I forgot to talk about stats and like motorsports and stuff. So...